Now, at Relocation Serbia, we do work with many foreigners coming into Serbia. And the question always arises, hey, I want to bring my own vehicle or even purchase one in Serbia. But what does it look like when it comes to registration? What does it look like when it comes to insurance? And so we're going to do a quick rundown on the prices and what your obligations are when it comes to owning a car here in Serbia. The prices I give you here are going to vary from the type of vehicle you have to the type of insurance company that you have. So don't quote me as these are the said and done prices. We do work with our clients to find them the best possible insurance options, especially if they don't speak Serbian and they're looking to get some sort of car registered here, or if they're looking to even or get insurance, which typically you're going to need insurance regardless if it's just collision or liability or full coverage, whatever it might be. One of the things we're going to talk about is first is vehicle registration. Now, you will have to register your vehicle once a year here in Serbia. It's not just a single registration like it may be in some other countries. Some other countries don't consider it as a vehicle registration. What they actually consider it as is a license plate renewal, which in essence is pretty much the same thing. However, the vehicle registration all depends on the size of engine that you have in your vehicle. And so typically anything up to 1150 cc's is going to be 10,000 dinars per month, per year, sorry. Anything up to between 1150 and 1300 cc's is going to be 15,000 dinars, and 1300 cc to 1600 cc's is going to be 20,000 dinars, and anything over 2,000 can exceed 50,000 dinars per year. Now, that does not include the technical inspection that you have to do before you can get the registration done on your vehicle. Now, a technical inspection typically involves a mechanic. You'll find them all over Serbia. You typically see technically pregled. That means they're going to be doing your technical review of your vehicle. So safety issues, your exhaust system, engine, all that stuff. Make sure that it's road worthy and it's safe to be on the roads. One of the beautiful things that I actually love about being able to own a car here in Serbia is that unlike Canada, Serbia does not use salt on the roads. Typically, they're going to use sand, which I like because it's not going to rust out your car. In Canada, it's quite often to see vehicles just that are complete rust buckets. And here I've yet to see one that has any rust on it at all. And if I'm not mistaken, and you guys that are watching this video here in Serbia, you can, confirm this with me. I believe that even having rust on your vehicle here in Serbia means that it's not road worthy, and that's actually a fail when it comes to the technical inspection. Now, before you can get your vehicle registered, if you have your technical inspection and they do find some faults, you're going to have to get those things repaired, and then you can apply for your registration after they review that you actually did fix it. Now, when it comes to administrative fees, you're also going to have 1,000 to 2,000 dinars for your sticker. You're going to have 3,000 to 5,000 for your plates. That's if you need plates. But if you have it, that's already waived. I'm talking about brand new vehicles, or if you're bringing the vehicle in from overseas and you're getting it registered here in Serbia and you need license plate here, that's where that fee comes in as well. Now, when it comes to insurance, you have to have insurance on your vehicle. So you have, it's mandatory motor third-party liability. This is if you cause any damages to another person's car. So you have to have liability insurance. If you decide not to have it on your own car, that's up to you. But there's, like anywhere else in the world, there's different levels of insurance. So if you're looking for a small car, it's anywhere between 12 and 20,000 dinars per year. Medium car is about 20 to 35,000 dinars per year, and large vehicles is over 40,000 dinars per year. You also can have comprehensive insurance. This is optional but highly recommended to broaden the protection of your vehicle, and all your insurance premiums, like anywhere else in the world, typically goes based on your driving record. You also will have some insurance companies here that will, use those sensors in your cars that if you drive a certain way or you brake too hard, they'll change your insurance premiums according to that. That's not something that I opt in for because I honestly don't care about them tracking how I drive, because sometimes I just want to drive how I want to drive. So when you do have the comprehensive insurance, you'll be covered for accidents, natural disasters, and also covers anywhere between 4 and 7% of the market value of your vehicle. Now, if you are buying a brand new vehicle, you can also get another type of insurance where if you total the vehicle in 3 years or 1, 2, or 3 years, they will give you full replacement value of the vehicle for what you paid for. So that's something to keep in mind as well. And as you drive more in Serbia, your premiums will go down as long as obviously you don't have any claims. Now, you might be asking, what are some of the top insurance companies in Serbia? So we do have Dunav Osiguranje. That's one of the largest insurance companies here in Serbia. I've mentioned them before when it comes to getting travelers insurance here for your temporary residency, which is something that we help with our clients here. And you have Generali Osiguranje Serbia. They're pretty good. You have Triglav Osiguranje, and you have Wiener Osiguranje. So those are the top ones that I found that most people use. I have Costco insurance, which I got through the dealership where I purchased the vehicle. And so, of course, you're going to have all of those things in place. So depending on what type of vehicle you have in Serbia, you're going to have your vehicle taxes about 20,000 approximately, and this is for a medium-sized car. You're going to have your insurance at about 25,000, technical inspection about 4,000, administrative fees 2,000, and so your estimated cost per year is 51,000 dinars per year. So if you look at, that's about what, $600 per year to have all that covered. But again, like I said, this is not all said and done. It all varies depending on your vehicle. And even if you're looking to bring in your vehicle from another country, you have additional fees on top of that as well, which is something we help with our clients as well. Typically, someone's going to want to put their boat on a ship and bring it over into Serbia. And so we'll help with loading into the sea can, shipping it over, get it into Slovenia, Croatia, deal with all the port fees there, put it onto a train, get it into Serbia, and then deal with all the customs and taxes in that regard. And then you have all these additional fees as well. What we also do provide to our clients is if you're anywhere in Europe, we have a service that we can come out there, pick it up with a truck, bring it into Serbia. We'll get it stopped at the border, make sure all the taxes and duties are paid at the border, and then bring it into Serbia for you, so you have no headaches. if you're looking to come to Serbia with your own vehicle and drive it across the border, you can come here, keep your plates of your current country, and then keep on paying the registration in your current country that you're have that car registered in. But if you're planning on switching that vehicle over, you're going to typically need to go to Subotica, drop it off at the border, and have them do their inspection and taxes and duties at the border. That's something that you're going to have to do on your own if you decide to bring your vehicle in. It's not something that we're going to drive all the way out there so you can deal with it, maybe spend the night. You're going to have to figure that out on your own. Now, when it comes to purchasing a vehicle, I hear from various people different stories. Some will say that it's just better to purchase a vehicle here in Serbia and get it all done in Serbia. But some people say it's easier to go to EU countries, purchase a vehicle, and then bring it into Serbia and have it registered here from another country because we are not in a EU country, and so typically cars cost a little bit more. It all depends on what you're looking at, what your goals are when it comes to moving to Serbia, and all this is something that we can help you with, me and my team, when we do sit down for a consultation. If you are looking to bring in other items into Serbia, depending on, household items, furniture, all that stuff, all that has to go through the customs portion as well. And that's something that we can help with as well. And I'm going to touch on shipping in items other than your vehicle in another video. So I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Hit the thumbs up for this video so that it can reach the people that need to get in touch or in front of this information. I hope to see you on the next one.